Nature is the source of life. Nature provides everything we need, not everything we want. Therefore, learn from the simplicity of nature, from its regular cycle. As social beings, let us apply the principle of sustainability in every aspect of life, appreciate every resource, and share fairly. Because the balance of nature is also our social balance. Hopefully this content inspires us to be more caring and active in maintaining a harmonious relationship between humans and nature. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.